So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 4 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Christian giving. So guys, this video will be about Paul's teaching on Christian giving, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, "But my God shall supply all you need according to his riches in glory by Jesus Christ." This statement was made by Paul to the A. Galatians, B. Ephesians, C. Colossians, D. Philippians. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's Philippians. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here, question number 2 says, when Christians give freely, God will supply A. their needs day by day, B. their needs according to his riches in glory, C. only for those that give, D. their needs according to the measure they give. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, their needs according to his riches in glory. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question here is question number 3. It says, "But my God shall supply all your needs according to his riches in glory by Christ Jesus." This statement was made by Paul to the Philippians. So guys, Philippians is the answer to this question. That's option A here. So let's take note of that. We've answered this question earlier on. That's it. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So guys, the last question here, question number 4 says, "St. Paul had already boasted to the dash, and for this reason, he sent a reminder letter to the dash on Christian giving." We have A. Romans, and then Church in Antioch. We have B. Thessalonians, and then Church in Achaia. We have C. Macedonians, and then Corinthians. Then we have D. Philippians, and then Corinthians. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C, Macedonians and Corinthians. So St. Paul had already boasted to the Macedonians, and for this reason he sent a reminder to the Corinthians on Christian giving. So that's it for this question, and this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.